Welcome to Redline Review. Perfectionists will love the 2026 Prevost Motorhome's luxurious travel. This motorhome's Prevost coach platform, known for its longevity, smooth ride, and quality, makes road trips luxurious. Exterior design and performance outside, the 2026 Prevost stands out. The slender body is corrosion-resistant stainless steel and aluminum. Day or night, LED headlamps and a glowing Prevost logo indicate elegance. The 13-liter Volvo D13 diesel engine excels in interstate and mountain driving. Long trips are safe with adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance technologies, and the Allison automatic transmission and electronically regulated air suspension are smooth. Luxury and crafted home. Enter for a penthouse-like personalized interior. Custom materials, finishes, floor design, and technology. The highlights: handcrafted premium wood cabinets, leather chairs from Italy with heating, cooling, and massage, personalized stone countertops and furniture, heated porcelain tiles, large salon with pop-up 65-inch QLED smart TV, theater-grade surround sound, and electric reclining seats. Wall touchscreens easily control lighting, blinds, entertainment, and climate. Gourmet dining and Kitchen Chef's Kitchen has everything for restaurant-quality meals on the go. Home convection oven and induction cooktop. Built-in wine cooler, dishwasher, big fridge with clever temperature zones. Large pantry, soft close drawers. Designer sink water dispenser with filter. Enjoy magnificent meals in a 4-person dining room with panoramic windows wherever you park. Private spa, suite escape to the back master suite. King-size bed with adjustable foundation and premium linens. Nightstands with wireless charging, dedicated 55-inch streaming TV, custom wardrobes, cedar closets, spa-like bathroom, large body-jetted walk-in rain shower, heatable floors, storage backlit vanity mirror, elegant brushed nickel fixtures, powder room for guests, tech and smart control, modern connectivity in the 2026 Prevost Motorhome, smartphone or tablet-controlled whole coach automation camera, and remote monitoring security, fast satellite internet, and 5G router smart zone climate control, solar panels and lithium battery bank for off-grid adventures, safe driving aid. Premier buses have HD 360-degree cameras. Lane departure warning, help controlling stability electronically. Auto brake emergency, corner lit adaptive headlights. Summary personalized luxury on wheels. The 2026 Prevost Motorhome goes beyond transportation. Every mile feels effortless and indulgent for clientele wanting luxury, cutting-edge technology, and classic style. Months off-grid or continental travel redefine luxury.